If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Roblox account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your account synchronization. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause syncing issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed on your device. Outdated versions may lead to compatibility issues. Check your App Store for any available updates and install them. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache of the Roblox app can help resolve syncing problems. Go to your device settings, find the Roblox app and select the option to clear cache or storage. Restart the app afterward. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of your account and logging back in can refresh the connection. Open the Roblox app, go to Settings, log out, and then log back in with your credentials. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any syncing issues with your Roblox account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.